I just decorated with fallen white Labubu figure from Friends, which is Monica Geller. I think I'm a guess my answer is actually handmade. I really regret that I bought it in the white color. Let me show you my crystals. This was a lifesaver for me with my Kindle. I'm really counting on my camera to not fall down during this video because I forgot to bring the tripod underneath. Today I wanted to show you guys what I carry in my work bag, which is actually not only my work bag. I carry this every day with me, and today's Sunday. I came out with my husband to do some errands and I thought it would be a good idea to show you guys what I carry every day with me. It's really heavy. I carry my life in it. I just purchased this Guess G-Wave large Tote in black. I was going for the green one because I really love the green shade that it had, but I thought maybe I cannot wear it with all of my outfits because it's like a bold green color, and I went for the black one to just, you know, black goes with everything. Just decorated with my fallen white Labubu, which I named him Henry, and this one, it has like two figures and a cake, and it has a little bear here which I named Bimbi which means nothing in Persian actually, and I just love it this way. This is not a decoration, by the way. I just put it in my hair when I'm at work, so this is just there. And let's get into it. I will show you how I organize this massive tote bag because this is much bigger than the regular tote bag that I use for my daily basis. As you can see, this is huge. I organize it with some pouches that I purchased online or handmade pouches, and I will show you in a minute. So first thing here, I have my keys, which I have a crystal as a keychain. This was a gift from the store that I buy crystals from, and it's really beautiful. This is a figure from Friends, which is Monica Geller, and her braided hair. This is a rabbit keychain which I got from Temu, and it only reminds me of my cat Daisy. And I have a capybara which has a fish as a hat, and this one reminds me of my other cat Dusty, an orange cat, and he just looks like a capybara or a bear or a raccoon. Anything but a cat. He's anything but a cat. Next thing, I have a headband here. I use when I have a headache. I don't know if it's good to have a headband when you have a headache, but it helps me, so I have it here. Next thing, I have my Blue Control and regular glasses, which I use when I'm at work, but this one is my favorite. These are from Guess. I don't know the model if it's written in here. This is the GU 2695 model in color 056. I think the color was named Havana, if I'm not wrong. A red leather case, which I love. And next I have my sunnies. These are from Ray-Ban. And let me show you how they look. This is the Chromance Ray-Ban polarized, like I think this is the Wayfarer normal one, and I love them. I have some nuts in here. I have some nuts in here, which includes almonds, pistachios, and cashews, and I bring this to work with me whenever I'm feeling a bit hungry and I don't want to eat anything. I just take some nuts. Next, I have this pouch here. It's actually handmade from Pinky, I think, or Pinku. I don't know the brand. So I have some random things in here. First off, I have some lippies. This is the Clarins Lip Comfort Oil. This is the black one. I think this was a limited edition, and I love this. Next, I have, let me put this here. Next, I have a Benadryl. This is the itch relief stick, and I use this when a mosquito or something bites me. So I have my NYX Lip Balm. This is the Lip Glowy Balm in Berry, and I really love this. I paired this with my tint that I will show you in a bit, and this works actually perfect. Let me put some on because my lips are always dry. Perfect. I have this Clarins Lip Balm. This is the Lip Oil Balm in color 06, and it's like a dark color. Next I have this NYX Lip Tint and Lip Gloss, which I only use as a tint. As you can see, this is a really dark color, and you have to just put it on and just wipe it off immediately after, because this is so dark, and if you wait long enough it would be like this. I didn't have any Kleenex or any tissues with me, so I just had to wait for like 1 minute, and it becomes so dark, and I really don't use this dark. I really just apply it and wipe it after. Next I have some Flixonase. These are for my allergies, and I use this twice a day. That's why I have this in my work bag. These are a dupe for Tide on Go, and this is what I have in here. Mentos, mints, and these are actually, yeah, these are sugar free. I'm trying to not have sugar, and I don't think that's working because I'm literally drinking a bubble tea right now. Eye drops, which are also for my allergies. Yeah, I'm allergic to everything. And I have some tampons in here. I have, this is my personal phone, my work phone. This is my old phone that I now use it for my work. I have my mouse. This is the Logitech Lift mouse, which I really regret that I bought it in the white color because the stains on this don't come off. I have some wet wipes, which I paired with this carrot keychain, which I made, and it really goes with this rabbit on top. And this is actually a wet wipe can, and it's really cute. I really love this. A MacBook charger. I have another pouch. This is from the same brand, and it can be used as a keychain, but I don't use this as a keychain because it's so heavy. I put my Huawei clip headphones, which I use indoors because you cannot use this in public because you can hear everything but the sound you're listening to. And I use my AirPods Pro 2nd generation for when I'm out, and I really like the clip ones better because I don't know, they're more comfortable than the AirPods. I have some Flosses. I don't know what these are called, but I use this for my implants. I have some Listerine pocket pack breath strips. I have 2 of them. I will show you what I have in these 2 little pockets that are in the bag. First off, my wallet, and I have some cards and some cash in here. This little pouch, which I use for my coins, and I have some crystals in it. Let me show you my crystals. A green aventurine. This is called the gambling rock, I think, or gambling crystal, and I really believe this brings luck for me. A citrine, which is a yellow clear stone. This is also known as a money magnet, and I have that in here. Cracked amethyst, and it's really beautiful and really purple. I don't know if you can see this. I have this random paper, which I'm collecting these SpongeBob figures, and I just find the ones that I have, and when I buy a new one, if I have the dupe, I will give it to another person. I have some coins in here, and that's all that's in here. that's all that is in the little pocket. Other pocket, first I have the Painkiller I use when I have a headache or a toothache or anything. A protein bar, which has been melted here. It's so hot. It is sugar-free and it includes 33% protein. I have some Nerds. This is the grape and strawberry flavored one. I don't know if they have any other flavors. I've only seen this one. Next, I have a 5 Turkish lira bill. And I have this mandarin clone, which I use as a sanitizer. That's all I have in the other little pocket here. Next, I have this one. This was a lifesaver for me. It's actually a spine massage stick, but I use this for my allergies. It's like this, and it includes eucalyptus and menthol. When you breathe it in, it changes my whole mood and it opens my nose, so I don't have to feel any allergic reactions afterwards. And I really love this. I have one at home, I have one in my work bag, I have one in my pocket, I have one in my jacket pockets. My life is surrounded by this. This is a lifesaver. I have my Kindle and I have just customized it with some stickers and a mirror pop socket here, and I'm really proud of how I designed this. This is really cute and really neat. I'm currently reading Ask for Andrea by Noel, which was a book recommendation, and I just started reading this, so I don't have any opinion on this. I'm reading another book, Daisy Darker, for the second time, so if I will be recommending any book, it will be Daisy Darker right now. I have this mini bag which comes with the Tote, and you can use it as a pouch or a bag like this. And whenever you don't want to carry the bigger one, you can use this. And I have some random things in this. This is for my allergies and for my asthma. And I have this in here, Photoderm sunscreen. This is the fluid form, and it has a really light shade. As you can see, I don't have a tan skin. If you're looking for a light sunscreen with tint, I really recommend this. It doesn't have an orange undertone like the others. Next, I have my hand cream, which is by L'Occitane, and this is the 25%, and I really love this. This is the second one that I purchased, and I really love it. Next, I have this lippy. I have a lot of lippies in here. This is the Lip and Cheek Oil by Revolution, I think. Yeah. It's clear and it's pH sensitive and it changes the color. I really love the color. It's not like this neon pink in it. It's just a subtle pink color. Some eye drops, eyebrow gel, and my infallible brows pencil, which I use for my everyday makeup. The YSL blush. This is my favorite shade. This is the shade 44, and it's a really gorgeous pink color, or mauve if you may. And I really love the color. It really looks good on me, I think, and I use this every day. YSL mascara. This is the color 2. It's a brown color with red undertone, and I use this when I am in the mood or I don't have extensions on, because I usually do lash extensions. I have some pens, a green one, a pink one, and a blue one in here. A notebook. This is a mini notebook that I have it in here in case needed. Next, I have my power bank. This is a MagSafe power bank. I can use this to charge my phone twice, I think, and it's really heavy, so I don't carry it around much, but you don't know when you will need it, so I have it in there. iPhone charger. I have this. This is my Apple Pencil Pro, and I use this with my iPad, and the case is from a logo. That's all I have in this handbag. You have to see what a mess I have made here. Let me show you. Look at it. Look what I've done. I have my MacBook Pouch, which is from Mango, and it's a simple black leather with some gold hardware. In this I carry my MacBook Pro 14 inches. This pouch is actually made for the 13-inch model, but I can use it for my 14-inch because it's a bit bigger. And I've customized my MacBook with some stickers. It has a little zipper at the back, and in here I carry my Persian keyboard, which I use for work sometimes. A picture of my husband. Look at how cute he looks. And also I have USB ports, SD card port, the HDMI port. That's all that's in here. Last but not least, I have my iPad Pro. This is the 13-inch model. I have the Spigen Vegan Fox leather Velo case for it. I use this for my illustrations and when I have to take notes at work or anything. It just comes in very handy to have it with me. That is all that I have in my bag. I will not put this back in. That was just for reference. That was all that is in my work bag, my everyday bag, my travel bag, my shopper bag. I just wanted to show you guys how it looks when I put everything in this bag. It has a really soft canvas. This is the black color, as I mentioned before. That's how it looks with everything in it. And that's all I have in my work bag. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I really enjoyed making it. I know it's OG YouTube and I really enjoy watching this type of content on my spare time. Like, my feed is full of what's in my bag videos recently. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!